Alrighty, we're checking out the new update. This cool guy that I found. So, say hi, only if you want to.
Hey!
Oh my god! So, I already got all my stuff prepared. I got some new fashionable armor. I absolutely love it. There's hip slots now, so I'm gonna put that there for a light. By the way, they get rid of all the snow. Really cool stuff. Bro, stop trying to throw cheeks. They added arrows. Oh my god! Hey, bro, wait. I'm gonna put this on the back of your head for. I'm gonna. Trying to put this on the back of your head for a light bulb. Alright, you have a light now.
Okay.
Alright, so let's go, explore. Have hook shot and stuff. Alright.
I got an infinite shotgun. It's
How?
infinite. What?
How?
All you have to do basically is you just find a shotgun, and if it doesn't have any ammo, it's fine. You just keep like you spam
Trigger.
no, you spam like server hopping. You just server hop like a lot. You just go like that. And then every server that you hop is one bullet.
Oh, okay.
I think.
Okay, so,
Sure.
by the way, we just went through a super long tunnel. Now here's the good stuff. I just found the jackpot.
You did?
Oh,
Holy crap.
just let it fall down.
This is a lot.
Just let it fall down there. Alright. Ooh, purple. By the way, purples are super good. Sometimes
Yeah, I
they
heard
drop
that they give
nothing or
research
they drop
points.
something. That's silver and that's bronze.
every time I've got a purple one, I'd never get like a research points like people say you do.
I got one once. Alright, now let's jump down here.
Yeah, they
You
usually
should
always
only
go
really
over
get
here.
the silvers, because those sell for the most.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, there is a new monster. It's super scary. Nothing.
Yeah, the spider is scary. So
I hear
you
it.
gotta be careful. Me too. Nothing.
Silver.
I get that.
Not small stuff. We don't want that.
Yeah, we don't want small things. We want medium sizes and big boy sizes.
Yeah. That's small. Bro, it's really cool.
That's a big boy. That's a big boy. That's the biggest.
That's
of
a
the
big
boys.
chungus. Oh, they can give you money. I didn't know that.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Oh, and if you go into sewers, there's this green thing, and it's like random. It's random what it gives you.
Oh, a purple. Yes. These are upgraded so you can mine them faster. These are the
mine them
upgraded.
faster.
The upgraded looks so cool, and they are cool.
They mine fast. They mine stronger, so you don't have to waste so much time, like doing like 10 or 5 times just to like not
Get a
using that much,
bronze.
'cause they leave in any money.
Or nothing. Oh my lord.
It's coming.
Oh.
Go.
Gang up on it!
Get up.
Gang up on it!
Bro, how am I gonna die?
It doesn't do a lot of damage.
to me it does. It does a lot of damage to me.
Gold! Ooh, did that drop any goodies? It didn't even drop one. That's disappointing.
Yeah, it didn't even drop one. That's
Ooh, over here, a lot of good stuff spawns over here. A lot of good stuff.
if there's a lot of good stuff, that means that there's a higher probability of the snake being close by. Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Well, there was one gold, but it's Buki.
We got a tiny one. We got a baby.
Yeah. Ooh, look, these right here, they drop a crate and you can get something from the crate.
I hear it.
Oh, Lord. Nope, I'm good.
I got him.
Alright, bet. Oh, bro. By the way, bruh.
Yo, we should go get those crates.
By the way, there's a lot of goodies after you completed it. There's a lot of good stuff
What the heck?
everywhere.
What is that noise?
It's that Armstrong.
Come back here. I need to kill him.
There's an Armstrong. Don't mind it. It can't get you. That Armstrong can't get you. It's stuck right there. Nothing.
Oh my god.
Nah, you won't die. Oh yeah.
Every time I fall, I keep thinking there's gonna be a spider.
Anything? No. Nah. There usually is a spider right there, so you may be right. Bro! Bro, down here it's a landfill. So many goodies. Yes, sir.
Also, if you guys didn't know, you could also shoot them with their thing, but I'm not gonna do it because it's gonna attract the spider.
Yeah. Alright, hey.
What should we open the box?
There is an exit. Follow me, follow me.
Yo, look what we got.
Ooh, what? Yeah, just follow me, follow me. You use the
Hold on,
ropes.
hold on, I have to.
Don't go too far ahead of me.
That's my percentage. Great. Hey, bruh. Where'd you go?
I'm up here.
Okay.
I can't see.
Okay.
Come down.
Look up.
Can you come down really quick?
I can't see. There's a purple.
Nothing.
Yeah, I get it. Oh, that's bronze. We don't want those.
Alright. Alright, go up.
Okay.
Are you serious?
I'm going.
All the way up?
Over here. There is a lot of good stuff over here. There always is good stuff. Bruh? Oh, you're over there.
Look at this. Come here. Come here, look at all of this.
Bro, you think that's a lot? Come over here. Oh my lord.
And we barely even got anything. But we
Bro, follow me. Follow me. There's a lot of good stuff over
I have
here.
to collect these.
Come over here.
Hold on,
Hey, bro, come over here. Look.
Here's a chunky.
Here's a chunky.
Where?
I got it. Now follow me. You think that's a lot? Come over here.
Dang, this is.
Oh, ooh, chunky. Get that chunk right there. Wait, we're still getting stuff. Follow me.
Wait, up here.
Where? No, don't break that.
Here.
Oh, yeah. Chunky.
Anything?
Chunk.
No.
Yeah, right here. Get that.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. Alright, over here. Ooh, some other good stuff. Nothing. Over here.
Nothing over here. Oh, there's another portal.
Yeah. Some goodies. Over here's the goods.
Look.
Ooh. Ooh.
Nothing.
I broke it. Alright, follow me.
I forgot that this is PvP.
Yeah. Ooh. Stuff. Huh. It gets me every time. Ooh. Ah. This is hard to get through. Alright, nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing. Yeah, why not? Oh, yay! Okay.
Are we done? Or there's still a couple more?
Chunk.
Is there anything over here?
Over here.
Look.
No. Where?
Look over here. Down here, there's the gold.
Ooh. Ooh, a chunk
No.
right there.
Over here.
Bro, you missed this chunk, so I'm getting it.
Okay.
Alright, we're gonna have to cut this video short because my headset is getting low, but we'll do this in the future. Guy? Alright, come on. We're leaving.
What?
My headset's getting low and this will end the video.
What
Alright,
happened?
let's see.
You're lagging.
I know. Let's see how much we made. There we go.
Wait, no, my backpack. No.
Alrighty, goodbye, guys.